Hi guys, today we are making a very simple, quick and easy egg rice. First take a pan with some oil, cinnamon stick, one big cardamom pod, bay leaves, peppercorns, cloves, cumin seeds and some curry leaves. Saute them for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding about 2 sliced onions. Fry till the onion becomes soft. We don't want to brown them. Now we'll add 2 potatoes. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry them for about 2 minutes. Half cup of frozen peas. You may take fresh or frozen, whichever is available. Now I'm adding about 1 tomato. You may add diced tomato. Here I'm using the puree. Saute them for more 2 minutes. Saute them for more 2 minutes and then add half cup of water. Now I'm adding all the dry spices, coriander powder 1 spoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now saute them all together. Fry the masala for about 2-3 minutes. Now I'm adding 2 cups of soaked rice. I've soaked for about 30 minutes. I have used 1.5 cup of rice. So I'm using 3 cups of water. Now adding the salt second time for the rice. Remember that for masala we have already added before. I'm adding 1 heap spoon of clarified butter or a sleek ghee. This will give the rice a very pleasant smell and yes, taste too. Let's cover and cook. So you can see the water is already dried up. Now we'll add some coriander leaves and mint leaves. Give it a quick stir. Lower the gas flame. Add up some boiled eggs. And cover and cook for more about 10 minutes on a very low flame. It's been 10 minutes. Now let's open and check. Voila! The rice is ready.